group members arrive to attend the GRT on the pre-arranged day, time and place. The field officer and branch manager arrive and greet everyone. The group recognition test starts with the members taking the pledge, followed by the field officer taking the pledge. The field officer introduces the branch manager to the group members. The branch manager introduces himself and explains the purpose of the visit with the group. The branch manager first checks to see if all members are present. If any are absent, the branch manager asks for the reasons and informs the group that the group recognition test will not take place. The branch manager says that the field officer will contact them to arrange another time and asks the group members to leave. If all members are present, the branch manager asks the group members about the formation of their group, how the members were selected, and whether they understand and agree with the concept of joint liability.
మీ గ్రూప్ లో అనుకోకుండా ఒక సభ్యురాలు వాళ్ళ బొమ్మలకి సీరియస్ ఉందని 1990 వెళ్ళిపోయారు. అలాంటప్పుడు మీ గ్రూప్ లో వాళ్ళ డబ్బులు తగ్గినాయి. మిగిలిన మీ నలుగురు ఏం చేస్తారు?
మేము నలుగురం పోగేసుకొని కట్టేసి మళ్ళీ వచ్చే వారం మా దగ్గర వసూలు చేసుకుంటాం సార్.
మీ గ్రూప్
The branch manager continues to ask questions to check their knowledge and understanding of the organization, the group leader's responsibilities, and the terms and conditions for taking a loan.
ఓకే. అంతేగాను గ్రూప్ లీడర్ బాధ్యతలు ఏంటమ్మా?
ప్రతి వారం 10 నిమిషాల ముందు అందరు వచ్చారా లేదా చూసుకొని డబ్బులు కలెక్ట్ చేసి కార్డ్స్ దగ్గర పెట్టుకొని సార్ రాగానే డబ్బులు పైసలు ఇచ్చేసి ఇంకా.
The branch manager randomly checks a certain number of members' residences based on the level of confidence he has with the quality of the group. Based on the members' responses, the branch manager decides whether to approve the group or not. If this is a new group, the branch manager inquires whether the group agrees with the proposed venue, day and time. The branch manager tells the group leader to contact the field officer at the end of the next day to find out the status of their loan request submitted during the compulsory group training. The branch manager and field officer leave the venue.